custom lanterns.
That's right.
That's his button.
Steven.
These are more traditional.
Caleb. Some cool looking indicator lights. First four is, one is red.
Yeah, it's a Dover controller.
7.
Hydraulic. Let's listen to the motor for past one. Alright. You can see the tower over there. Good day to see it. Is this falling out apart already?
It looks like it.
Oh my goodness. The fan is pretty high though. Yeah, you can't hear the motor in this one. The middle one's quieter. There's the lantern. Just press all the buttons.
And that will be the reason why.
These are very dim.
The reason? Look at that nice.
Yeah, let's get the noisier middle one. The echo lantern. Yeah.
Wow.
Echo SSL. Oh, you replace the buttons on this floor.
Right.
With the SSL, yeah. This one's stuck. That no. I wonder, yeah, these are neon. Look at that, guys. It's a neon tube. It's not a LED.
No.
It's 7.
Right.
This is falling out too. Oh dear. Maybe they're installing it. Or reinstalling something. Yeah, the fans are too loud. You can't hear them.
It's too loud.
The indicator's falling out. Oh. Do you know it's our fault?
No.
Yeah, manages to run probably because it's a Dover. If it wasn't a Dover, it'd probably be terrible. It sounds like a traction when it moves, but it's a hydraulic. Yay, it's bouncy.
Well, that's a 6th floor. You want to go look at the entrance on every floor? You want to go to every floor?
I guess we can look at lanterns on every floor.
Alrighty, great.
Oh, the fan does bother me. I think all of them have a fan though. I'm pretty sure behind here there is a way to turn off the fan, but it's a firefighter panel, so...
Let's not do it.
Yeah, we don't have that key. That or this was the cabinet. Wow, blue.
Wow.
Blue.
Nice.
And let's see, Dover blue. Dover actually installed these?
Yes.
Yeah, this is those are Dover door seals right there.
Like in 1992.
No, I'm talking about the lanterns outside. Yeah, I'm guessing this was a very unique Dover installation. Green. This green one that goes up, right?
Right. It's the same color both up and down on every floor.
It's actually well maintained to the garages. It smells nice. Yeah, that smells like pee. Yellow.
It's just that the core stations are falling apart.
Yeah, but it's a... Well, it looked like it was falling on every single left panel, so I think they might be replacing it.
Right. Orange.
And last but not least, G.
The first floor. 1 is red.
Yeah.
Still on the same DMC controller.
Yeah, this is a Dover controller for sure.
Yes.
No doubt about it. Now, yeah, it is red.
Yes. There it goes.
That's interesting. It has its own lantern and this big custom thing.
And that will be it.